Are you starting on Deriv with a $5, $10, or even $20 account? Here is how you might be actually setting yourself up for failure. All right. You find that most traders, when they start trading, they start with really small accounts. $5, $6. For the most courageous ones, they enter with $10, $12, $15, and to some $20. All right. Now, there is a very big danger in that. Okay, and please watch until the end so as to find out how. All right. Now, before you continue, I would like to let you know of a good third-party site. Okay, this third-party site has a really good analysis tool. Okay, this analysis tool gives you an easy way to actually analyze the market. All right, so you just basically come here, scroll. Okay, if you are trading even odd, you just come and see the possibility of even and odd. Basically, it makes your work easier as a trader. Okay, if you want some bots, they have some really nice bots here. Okay, you can also use their charts, and they also have tutorials. Okay, so guys, go check this site up. It is called binaryapp.com. Okay, I will link that link in the description. So if you're interested in the app, just go and click that link in the description. Go check them out, test out their materials, and guys, give me feedback on how it will be when you use it. Okay, and now let us get back to the video. Oh, guys, listen to this. All right, if you have there is no need for you to start with a small account. Okay, and please, for anyone who has started with a small account and has succeeded, that is completely fine. And yes, you can, but I'm here to show you how this is usually a very big risk, and how this has led to most traders blowing their accounts, especially when they are starting out. Instead of you starting with a $10 account, all right, I usually advise people to start with a $100 account, and might be asking why. What is the reason? Here's the reason. When you start with a $5 account or a $6 account or a $10 account, it becomes very hard for you to grow it. How you might say? Now, let's say you have a $5, let's say you have an $8 account. In that account, let's say you use the minimum amount Deriv allows in synthetic indices, that is 0.35. Now, when you use 0.35 and you experience a loss, let's say 5 times, almost more than half of your account is gone. And if you're using a martingale in a bot, your account will be obliterated already. All right. So when you have a $8 account or a $10 account, it becomes so easy for you to blow that account, taking into fact that you use the minimum amount of stake allowed. And most traders end up using a $1 stake, $2 stake, so they even blow it sooner. All right, I experienced this. Okay, so instead of you blowing a $10 account and then restocking it at a later date and then blowing at that another $10 account, instead of you blowing multiple $10 accounts, all right, it is better you save up to $100 and then grow it. How can you grow it? I'll cover this again. All right, now another danger of a small account is this. With a small account, the profit you experience is very minimal. Okay, let's say you tell yourself, I'll be growing this account, I'll be growing it 15% each day. Okay, or even 20% each day. Okay, if you have a $6 account, all right, if you have a $6 account, for you to grow it 20% each day, you will see that that profit is too little, and this will lead to you wanting to trade more so that you can experience more profit. And in this process, most traders end up overtrading and making wrong decisions, and they end up blowing that account. Because you see, my $6 account is so small. What if I can grow it to 100? So you try to grow it to 100 in one day, or even in 1 week, and in that process you end up blowing your account, because you go to TikTok and you see somebody getting an account from $1 to 1,000, and you're like, I can do this. Please don't compare yourself to TikTok traders. Okay, as I've said in most videos, most traders on TikTok who display their trades, I'm not saying all of them, most of them end up doing a lot of editing of their content before they upload it. So you might see a trader has grown their account from $1 to 1,000, but in real sense, that video has been heavily edited. So you trying to do your performance as they were showcasing can lead to you blowing your account. So that's another danger. All right. So traders, for anyone who is listening, and you know you don't have enough money to start with a $100 account, don't be in a rush. All right. just learn and trade as you're saving up. Learn and practice as you're saving up. Okay, so just learn new strategies and practice in demo as you're saving up. Guys, I'm telling you, there is no need for you to blow multiple small accounts. It is better you save up to get a big account, a $100 account, a $200 account, even a $500 account, and then grow that account slowly. Now, with a $100 account, you can say, even I'll be growing it, I'll be getting only $20 each day and I'll be satisfied. And believe me, $20 each day with a $100 account is very, very possible. Now, you can be getting $20, $20. That in a week is about $140. In a month, that is about $560. In a year, that is almost $6,000. Okay, and remember, each day you're experiencing a profit is each day you're being a perfectionist in your strategy, and that might end up making even more. All right, and another advantage of a big account is it becomes so easy for you to recover a loss. Okay, if you use a small stake, let's say 1 to 3% of your account, it will become so easy for you to recover any amount of loss you face. You'll not have to struggle in any way, in any possible way. All right, but if you have a small account, it will be a struggle to grow that account. It will be a struggle to recover losses, and I'm telling you, I've been there. All right, in my journey as a beginner, I believe almost more than 20 $10 accounts, and that is when I came to a realization, why wouldn't I just save to $200 and then start with the $200? That would have actually been better. All right, so instead of you blowing, because I'm telling you guys, if you start with a small account as a beginner, there is a 80% chance you'll end up blowing that account, and if you restock it with another small account, you most likely will blow that account. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're experienced, it doesn't matter if you are a professional. Starting with a small account will most likely end up with you blowing it. So instead of you blowing multiple accounts, traders, please save up and be patient. Don't be in a rush. Trading is here and it will not leave. All right, you guys, stop rushing to start trading. Don't rush. Save up as you're learning, and believe me, you will thank yourself later. Okay, I know this is something that is unheard of. Most traders tell you to start with whatever capital you have, and I've also done that in several videos. But guys, speaking from experience of my fellow traders, please only start with a good amount of capital. In fact, I urge most traders to start with a minimum of 100. All right, if you don't have 100, save up as you're practicing. There's no need for you to rush into the market with a $10 account only to blow it. All right, just save up, and then once you have enough, once you reach to 100 or even 200, now start. And believe me, that amount of time will take to save up as you're practicing, you will gain more skill, you will gain more experience, and that's when you enter into the market with your $100 account, you will now end up being experienced and profitable. Okay, because when you rush into the market with a small account, you'll rush into the market not having all strategies, you'll rush into the market not having experience, and that is why most traders we are saying they fear a lot when they are doing their trades, because they have not done enough practice. You have not yet been been used to this area, to this trading area. So please practice enough as you're saving up, but don't rush. Believe me, don't rush. Patience is rewarded in trading. Be patient. It may take months or even a year, but believe me, the time you will start trading, you will thank yourself, and that you can take to the bank. Okay, if you have any comment pertaining this, please put it down in the comment section. If you have any question, again, put in the comment section or WhatsApp me, and for the first 10 people who comment in my video, I'll give you one free bot of your choice. And guys, if you want classes, my online classes are ongoing. If you want online classes catered for you, please WhatsApp me. And if you need trading materials, more than 100 trading bots and more than 100 documents, contact me right now. My WhatsApp number is in the description. And guys, we have opened a new Facebook page. Go and look at it. All right, we'll be uploading announcements, we'll be uploading materials, we'll be uploading videos. So just don't miss out. Go to that Facebook market page, follow it, and once you follow it, take a screenshot once again, send it to me, and I'll give you 2 good bots. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep trading, guys, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one. And please, guys, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video. Otherwise, guys, cheers and have an awesome time.